Would you accept that when you took office as Minister in 2020 that UHL was in crisis? It's a yes or no.
Certainly when I took office, the situation, not just in UHL, but in several hospitals around the country in terms of trolleys, was very, very challenging. They have very significantly brought down their waiting lists.
Still haven't answered the question,
in the
Minister.
last few years.
A simple yes or no would suffice.
I have, Deputy. I'll answer the questions as I see fit. You ask the question you want, and I'll.
You won't even answer a straight yes or no. So I'll say it for you, Chair. I believe UHL was in deep crisis in 2020 and has been for several years. We've seen through a whole series of tragedies that this hospital is in the deepest crisis that has got worse for the last 4 years. Doubling of people on trolleys. Isn't that a catastrophic failure on the part of you in terms of failing the people of the Midwest? This issue has been brought to your attention year after year. I want to ask you about the recruitment embargo, Minister, and the impact of the recruitment embargo right now in University Hospital Limerick. Because I've spoken, being a former trade union official, to my colleagues, and they told me that as recently as 4 weeks ago, there was a deficit of 200 nurses in the hospital. They've told me that right now we have a deficit of 24 catering, 7 porters and 14 hygiene staff, all of whom are absolutely essential. And they've told me that the impact on the embargo is there's a hugely slow derogation process because everything has to be run through not just the local CEO, not just the REO, but actually Mr. Gloucester himself. And it's taking months for these decisions to be made. And that is impacting further right now on the already existing crisis. And in case anyone's in any doubt, by the time this week is over, we'll have had 10,000 patients on trolleys year to date. It's getting worse again this year, Minister. The frontline workers working in the system. These people are heroes. And I have to put it to you, Minister, that you've let them down. And in the meantime, say 239 patients have died on trolleys. I just think it's outrageous. And I think the people of Midwest want accountability from you, Minister. And so far, you haven't offered any.